Q is for quartz, R is for rain, S is for sun, T is for tree, U is for universe, V is for volcano, W is for water,